Welcome to Locus Fermentation Solutions, where we develop award-winning green solutions to replace chemicals and solve global challenges. Headquartered in Solon, Ohio, our four-building campus comprises nearly 50,000 square feet. It is home to specialized teams and scientists from around the world that oversee research and development, engineering, fabrication, and production for our oil, agriculture, and industrial operating companies. Our globally recognized bioinformatics and fermentation technology allow Locus to be the most efficient worldwide manufacturer of environmentally friendly, biodegradable solutions for almost any industry.
Most of our innovative R&D work begins here in the Center Lab. What sets Locus apart from the competition is our ability to do everything in-house, which minimizes R&D time and allows solutions to be customized for any application and pain point. Using our unique bioinformatics search, we can identify candidate microbes that will produce the target products that we're looking for. We then pull that information back to the lab and do a full-scale grow-up to a tabletop fermenter. In addition to the bioinformatic and fermentation scaling capabilities of our center lab, we also have a full analytical lab to both identify and quantify various microbial compounds. At Locus, we take pride in our ability to produce biosurfactants in-house with unmatched quality.
Our patented modular fermentation technology is another factor that sets us apart from other companies and enables us to rapidly develop solutions at industry-low production costs. The approach starts in our manufacturing center, which supports all production for our operating companies. A key benefit to Locus is our ability to design, fabricate, and engineer fermenters customized to our specific needs. This is done in our engineering and fabrication building. At nearly 15,000 square feet, in this area, we were able to design specialized fermentation equipment all the way up to full-scale fermenters and build custom R&D test tools. Having these capabilities in-house enables us to quickly develop new technology, support R&D activities, and minimize production costs. Our expanded biosurfactant production facility is one of the largest in the country, housing 30 of our custom cube fermenters. This fully network-enabled building allows our employees to monitor all of the equipment from a remote location via their cell phone. All of our fermenters are easy to use and do not require advanced degrees to operate, opening up job opportunities across all experience levels. After the fermentation process, solutions are prepared for distribution. Our biosurfactant solutions are toted up and shipped out to our regional distribution centers for rapid deployment. Our agricultural products are taken into a blending room, packaged and stored refrigerated until they are ready to be shipped cold chain to distributors or direct to farms. All solutions are green, safe for handling, and delivered fresh.
Our patented modular and low-cost technology delivers high-quality products at unmatched volumes and prices and can be scaled anywhere in the world within months. It is driving Locus to become the global leader in green solutions that solve the world's biggest pain points.